In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to display 3D data in OceansMap. So certain layers in OceansMap contain 3D data. Parameters such as wind and salinity not only have data at the surface, but also at a point in space and at a certain depth. So in order to see which of these layers are 3D layers, we can search 3D, and the user can, let's turn on salinity in the Chesapeake. So now we have this spatial layer turned on the map that shows salinity here, but because it's a 3D layer, this vertical slider here populated on the right side of OceansMap. Now this particular data set gives salinity as a depth in terms of sigma. So by default, the surface salinity is being shown, so this is a sigma of 0, and that's what's displayed on the map. And then depth changes as an interval of sigma, with the bottom representing 1 sigma. So if the user wanted to see salinity right in the middle of the water column, they can choose 0.5 sigma, and you can see the data will update there on the map. It's subtle, but it did update. So that's at a point in depth. The user can also turn on a 3D layer that has different data points at a point in space. So if we turn on a global wind layer, you can see that a second vertical time slider here populates on the right. So the user can adjust the height at which they want this wind data displayed on the map, and they can also adjust the depth at which they want the salinity layer displayed on the map. And wind here is given as actual height here, so in intervals of 10 meters, and not sigma as salinity showed.